Hello, I'm Jyoti Sharma and you're watching Agribusiness News powered by FTB Organic. Let's start with the latest agribusiness updates. Greaves Cotton Limited, a diversified engineer company planning to spend about 110 crore capital on its electric two-wheeler plant located in Ranipet in Tamil Nadu. The company informs that the plant will roll out two-wheelers by the end of this year. The managing director and group CEO of Greaves Cotton, Nagesh A. Pasanvalli said, "We plan to invest about 110 crore towards capital expenditure this year. About 70 crore will be the electric two-wheeler plant at Ranipet to be commissioned by the end of this year." The ICAR Central Coastal Agriculture Research Institute and the Goa University have jointly designed Fly Cocoa Board to ease the task of coconut harvesting. Conferred with the national recognition, this state-of-the-art technology is a simple, innovative and cost-effective product that will change the landscape of coastal agriculture practices. Board of the International Dairy Federation during the General Assembly of IDF unanimously elected R.S. Sodhi, Managing Director of Gujarat Cooperative Milk Marketing Federation Limited Amul, as a board member. Commenting on the decision of the Board of International Dairy Federation, Dr. Sodhi said, "It is an honor for me to represent the world's largest milk producing country and contribute to promoting sustainable goals of dairying and also meet the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals." Tata Consumer Products, a dominant player in the country's tea segment, is coming up with the pipeline of innovation in the coffee segment to become one of the top players in the market in the next 5 years. The company has rolled out a premium range of customized coffee under Sonnet brand, eyeing the 100 crore artisanal coffee market. VST has launched farmer-friendly and affordable multi-crop specialist power weeders with great features. Make the farming easier and convenient with the VST RT70 Josh and VST FT50 Josh power weeders. Tractors and Farm Equipment Limited, TEFE, the world's third largest tractor manufacturer, in a continuing effort to support the farming community and the government amidst the second wave of the COVID surge, announced its free tractor rental scheme to support the small farmers of the Rajasthan during this critical cropping season. India's leading startup publication Silicon India has released the ranking of top 10 agriculture startup companies in India in its June 2021 issue, in which Uttar Pradesh agriculture startup company Krishika Sacred River Agri Technology has got prominent position. This ranking is determined by the team of technology experts, corporate leaders, venture capitalists and researchers. Krishi Jagran organizes a variety of programs to convey farmers' issues, problem solutions and success through social media platforms. One of them is Farmer the Brand program, which was live on the Facebook page of Krishi Jagran this week, in which Naren Singh Mehra, a farmer from Nainital, shared his information related to his brand. For more agri updates, keep watching Krishi Jagran. Thank you.